YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. So today, you guys, I'm going to be giving you all some more sketchbook techniques, little nail check before we start. So what I'm doing here is I am making my canvas the size of the sketchbook that we'll be drawing on. And now with whatever references you choose, you can place them accordingly as how you would want to place them on the sketchbook. So this is great because now you'll know where you're going to place everything on your sketchbook page, and it's going to make your drawings, your sketchbook page look so much more aesthetic. So it's like so perfect, and I love this technique, and I can't wait to use it more for future videos. So as you see right here, I'm just mapping out the boxes just like how they were on my iPad, and we can get started. So this is the first expression, and oh my gosh, you guys, literally I had so much fun with this video. Like, I cannot explain to you how much fun this was. I think drawing expressions really became one of my favorite things to draw once I started to learn and practice it more, because at first it was like, you know, a little bit intimidating because, you know, you have to play around with all of the different muscles of the face and the different, you know, just ways that the face moves and works, and then applying it to your own style. And one thing I've noticed with expressions when following from a reference is that sometimes you have to exaggerate either the mouth a little bit more, or the eyebrows, or the eyes. Basically, it's like sometimes you have to use your artistic license to, you know, kind of change the expression just a little bit, just so it can look more like the expression, if that makes sense. I don't know, maybe I'll come across something where I can kind of explain what I'm trying to say. But yeah, I really just had so much fun with this. And when it comes to sketching, I use a 2H pencil, or any H pencil is good to start out with, and then I go over the light sketch with my mechanical pencil and just add the details in. So yeah, this was really fun. And then I decided, ooh, I'm gonna make my characters look like they're kind of jumping out the box. This is the next expression that we're doing in the middle of the page. And I was like, oh, that's gonna be cute. So this is like a really good idea to make an aesthetic sketchbook page, is like make some characters and like make them look like they're coming out of the page or out of a box, which I think is a really cute idea. Also, if you guys are interested in learning how to draw expressions, I have a tutorial on my Patreon, along with 25 plus tutorials on there. I post monthly tutorials on there, so check that out, you guys, and yeah. So with this expression, if you look at the reference, it looks a little bit more playful in the reference versus how when I was drawing it, she looked a little bit more sinister or serious. So in order for me to kind of make her look a bit more playful, I was playing around with the position of the eyebrows, and I even kind of added more of a smile to her mouth, even though it wasn't like that on the reference. So that's what I mean with, when it comes to expression, sometimes you have to play with it, because maybe your character has a playful look, but they have angry eyebrows. But if you draw them, your character just looks angry instead of playful. So you kind of have to like play with it, maybe by softening the brows a bit, or just making it look like they're smiling a little bit more. So that's kind of like what I mean when it came to, you know, just playing around with the expressions and you having to learn how to, you know, draw it in your style. I think sketching is like one of my favorite forms of art. Like, I really love to sketch in my sketchbook. It's so much fun, and it's always good to make sure you're kind of going back and forth from digital to traditional, just so you can, you know, remember those skills, remember both of those skills, and they're both important and fun to do as well. But you know, it's all preference. You can do whatever you're feeling led to do. But yeah, I just love sketching. It's so much fun, and I really enjoy it. That's why I'm happy I get to kind of put it on here to share with you guys. Also, I think it's pretty amazing too, like once you've been using digital for so long and then you go back to traditional, you're like, where's the undo button? Like, I've literally found myself clicking on my page for the undo button because I'm so used to digital. So that's why it's so good to just go back to traditional, just so like your mind can get used to like, okay, I'm using an eraser here. I have to take my time. I have to plan more so that I can avoid those mistakes that I can't easily undo with just a click of a button. So that's why I think it's so good to just make sure, you know, we are also practicing traditional too. But you know, like I said, it's all preference. This is just something that I enjoy doing. But yeah, I just thought that was interesting. Also, for all of my art supplies, for the sketchbook, pencils, and everything that I'm using, you can check my links below for my Amazon faves list, and I'll have everything there. Okay, so on to this expression. Oh my gosh, this was like the most challenging one, and I was excited to do it. We also have hands in this one. So I just really had to take my time with this one. This is like one of the more challenging expressions. So I was excited about it because I was like, okay, I'm ready for a challenge. And you know, when it comes to expressions, I like to try to, you know, you have to kind of exaggerate it a little bit further, even if it doesn't look that exaggerated maybe in the reference. But yeah, this one was like, whoa. So it was so much fun to do, especially like drawing the hands and just taking my time with that. And just seeing it all come together was just so satisfying. And make sure you use that light pencil, like a H pencil or a 2H pencil is what I use. So that way you can place your sketch down and then you can draw over it with your mechanical pencil or your darker pencil. I also went over some of my lines with a 6B. 6B pencils are like really good, or any B pencils, to really get more of a darker pigment. So yeah, that's what I did afterwards to kind of clean up the sketches. But yeah, you guys, let me know down in the comments below what you guys think. What do you all want to see next? I really want to know. And I'm just happy that I can share my art with you guys. Just thank you guys so much. I really appreciate your support. And let me know if you guys will be using these sketchbook techniques and if they helped you all. And yeah, you guys, also don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Rawsueshii, and all the links will be down below. So yeah, you guys, also I have an announcement to make. My coloring books are back and they're on my website, so you guys check that out in the links below. But yeah, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and finish up drawing and just let you all enjoy. So I will see you all at the end of the video. Alrighty, so we're almost at the end, you guys, but my hands were literally cramping. See, I had to like stop just so like I can massage my hands. Like literally they were cramping because I was drawing so long, but it was so worth it. But yeah, I really like the little, not really cross hatching, but just like the one line shading. It's very aesthetic and it's very pleasing to do, so I would definitely recommend trying it. So yeah, I was just adding last touch details, and then I put my little signature down below. I thought this was a nice place to put it, as it just looked real nice and aesthetic. And yeah. Alrighty, you guys, so this is the final page. What do you guys think? I think it turned out so cute, and I thought this was such a great idea to make an aesthetic sketchbook page. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. And don't forget to share this video, you guys. And I hope you all enjoyed watching, and I will see you all next time. Peace, love, and God bless, my loves. Bye.